Hey, what's up, everybody? You know, I was looking for you guys, but I come to see I found myself in a future time. But anyway. And that's right, guys. That was me playing the guitar on the entrance. Awesome, huh? Listen, guys, when I woke up this morning, the sounds you're about to hear in this short video, I'll let you try to explain it. The weirdest sounds I've ever in my life in the mornings. And yes, I'm back out on the streets. Thanks to a good old ex-girlfriend. Yeah, I'm not gonna date no more. I'm done, I'm finished. I'll get another apartment here soon. Yeah, be safe, be good. Peace, y'all guys. Good to be back a little bit. Thanks for watching the Rap Show. We appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it along with your friends. Be safe, be good. Peace, y'all. Until next time.